Hi everyone, in this video we have two examples, and in these two examples you have to find the equations of the tangent line and the normal line. So as you know, you have three steps to find the equation of the tangent line. The first one, you have to get a point, then you have to find the slope, which is the first derivative at the given x, and then you have to use the formula of the tangent line, which is y minus y0 equals m multiplied by x minus x0. So firstly, you have to construct a point. Here in part A, we have the function of x equals tan inverse of e to the x, and we have x equal to 0. So construct a point by replacing or plugging the value of x in the given function. So we have f of 0 equals tan inverse of e to the 0, and e to the 0 equals to 1, so we have tan inverse of 1, and tan inverse of 1 equals pi over 4. So our point is 0 with pi over 4. 0 is x0 and pi over 4 is y0. Next, you have to find the slope. So first you have to find the first derivative of this function, f prime of x equals, and this is the derivative of tan inverse of a function. So first you have to find u prime, and this is the function u, e to the x. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So we have e to the x divided by 1 plus u squared, and u squared means e to the x squared, so it means e to the 2x. Now you have to replace x equals 0 to find the slope at the given x. So m equals f prime of 0, and this is equals to e to the 0 divided by 1 plus e to the 0. And as you know, e to the 0 equals to 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So we have the slope equals to 0.5 or 1 over 2. The next step, you have to use the equation of the tangent line, and the equation of the tangent line is y minus y0 equals m multiplied by x minus x0, and this is the equation of the tangent line. So y minus y0, which is pi over 4, equals m 1 over 2 multiplied by x minus x0, which is x minus 0, and the answer will be y minus pi over 4 equals 1 over 2 multiplied by x. So finally you have to add pi over 4 to both sides to get the final answer of the equation of the tangent line. So equation of the tangent line is y equals 1 over 2x plus pi over 4. This is the equation of the tangent line. For the other part, for the other part of the question, you have to find the equation of the normal line. So equation of normal line, you have to use the same point x0 y0, but you have to find the slope of the normal line, which is m of n, and this is equals the reciprocal of m of the tangent line, and you have to change the sign of the slope, so it will be negative 2 over 1. So the slope of the normal line is equals to negative 2. Now you have to use this slope with this point to get the equation of the normal line. So you have to use the same equation, y minus y0 equal the slope of the normal line multiplied by x minus x0. And this gives us that y minus y0, which is pi over 4, equals negative 2 multiplied by x minus 0. And finally we have y equals negative 2x plus pi over 4. And this is the equation of the normal line. In part B, you have the function g of x equals to sine x minus ln cosine inverse of x, and we have x equal to 0, and you have to find the equations of the tangent line and the normal line. So first you have to get a point by plugging the value of x in the given function. So g of 0 equals sine of 0 minus ln of cosine inverse of 0, and this is equal sine of 0 minus ln of cosine inverse of 0, which is equals to pi over 2, and g of 0 finally equals minus ln pi over 2. So we have the point 0 with negative ln pi over 2. This is x0 and this is y0. Secondly, you have to find the slope at the given x. So first you have to find g prime of x, and g prime of x equals the derivative of sine cosine x minus the derivative of ln cosine inverse of x. And as you know, the derivative of the ln function is the derivative of the inside function divided by inside function, and this is the inside function, which is cosine inverse of x, and the derivative of cosine inverse of x equals minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared divided by the inside function, and the inside function is cosine inverse of x. By simplifying, you will get cosine x plus 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared multiplied by cosine inverse of x. Now you have to replace or plug in the value of x equal to 0 in the derivative function. So the slope m of the tangent line equals g prime of 0, and you will get cosine of 0 plus 1 over square root of 1 minus 0 multiplied by cosine inverse of 0. Now cosine of 0 equals to 1 plus 1 over cosine inverse of 0 equals pi over 2 multiplied by 1. It will be pi over 2. So finally we have 1 plus 2 over pi, and if you rationalize the denominator, you will get pi plus 2 over pi. So this is the slope of the tangent line, and now you have to go to the next step. This is the equation of the tangent line, y minus y0 equals m multiplied by x minus x0. Everything is given now. Y minus y0, which is minus ln pi over 2 with the negative sign we have, you will get y plus ln pi over 2 equals the slope of the tangent line, which is pi plus 2 over pi multiplied by x minus 0. And finally you will get the equation of the tangent line, y equals, you have to subtract ln pi over 2 from both sides, and you will get pi plus 2 over pi x minus ln pi over 2. And this is the equation of the tangent line. Equation of tangent line. Now you have to find the equation of the normal line. As in part A, you have to change only the slope of the normal line, and the slope of the normal line, you have to flip the slope of the tangent line and change the sign of it. So we have minus pi over pi plus 2. This is the slope of the normal line, and you will use the same equation, y minus y0 equals m of the normal line multiplied by x minus x0. You have to use the same point, x0, y0, so you will get y minus y0, which is a plus ln pi over 2, equals the slope of the normal line, which is minus pi over pi plus 2 multiplied by x minus 0. Now x minus 0 equals x, and just you have to do is to subtract ln pi over 2 from both sides, and you will get the equation of the normal line. So y equals negative pi over pi plus 2 times x minus ln of pi over 2, and this is the equation of the normal line. Equation of normal line. And that's it. Thank you.